How to change lock screen clock's font and color on iPhone. First, swipe down from the top left corner to open the lock screen. Now, tap and hold on the lock screen until it changes to edit mode. Next, look at the bottom. Here, click on the Customize option. Now, from the two options that appeared, select the lock screen option. The lock screen changes to edit mode. Now, tap on the clock widget. Here, you can swipe to select the different clock fonts. Also, you can use the slider to increase and decrease the size of the font. Next, at the bottom, you can see different color icons. Swipe and select any one based on your preference. You can also use the slider to change the intensity of the color for this. Or, swipe to the last and select the custom color icon. Here, in the grid section, select the color by tapping on the blocks, or simply click on the color icons to change. Or, you can tap on Spectrum and change the color based on your preference. Or click on the slider option and change the colors by dragging to and fro. Once you are okay with all the changes, look at the top right corner and tap on Done. Next, exit the edit mode. Now you can see the changed clock's font and color on the lock screen, and that's it.